Welcome to this tutorial. How to recall an email in Outlook. If you send a wrong email from your Outlook account and want to undo it, then you have to do some small changes in your Outlook account settings. Let's see the steps to recall an email in Outlook. Open your web browser. Type outlook.office.com/mail/ in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Type your Outlook email ID in the text field and click on the Next button. Enter your Outlook password and click on the Sign In button. Click the gear icon in the top menu bar. In the sub-menu list panel, click View All Outlook Settings. In the Settings, click on the Compose and Reply option. Scroll down the page and under the Undo Send section, drag the slider to set your undo time in seconds. You can set a maximum of 10 seconds as undo time for an email. Click on the Save button at the bottom and close the settings page. Click on the New Message button at the top left. In the To text field, type an email of your receiver. Type your subject line and message, and then click on the Send button. At the bottom left, you will notice a small size pop-up of sending your email along with Undo button. Click on the Undo button to recall your email. Now you can click on the Discard button to delete the email or can modify it before to resend again. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.